A new shield for NATO, Elbit's $60 million counter-drone deal. Elbit Systems, a renowned defense technology company, has secured a significant contract worth $60 million. This agreement involves providing an unnamed NATO European country with their cutting-edge ReDrone Counter-Unmanned Aerial System, or C-UAS. This deal highlights the growing concern among NATO allies regarding the increasing threat posed by drones. These remotely piloted aircraft, once primarily used for surveillance by militaries, have become widely accessible. Their potential misuse by hostile states and terrorist organizations for malicious purposes is a serious concern. Elbit Systems is a global leader in defense electronics. The company specializes in developing advanced technological solutions for various military applications. This includes intelligence gathering, electronic warfare, and unmanned systems. With extensive experience in defense innovation, Elbit Systems plays a crucial role in equipping modern armed forces to face evolving threats. The ReDrone system, in particular, demonstrates their commitment to countering the growing danger of hostile drone activity. The $60 million contract is a testament to the trust placed in Elbit Systems by NATO countries. This deal will see the ReDrone system deployed over a 3-year period. The system's primary purpose is to enhance the unnamed country's defense capabilities against hostile drone operations. The contract reflects Elbit Systems' growing reputation as a reliable provider of cutting-edge defense technologies. This partnership between Elbit Systems and the unnamed NATO country is a significant step towards ensuring the safety and security of the alliance's airspace. The deployment of the ReDrone system will significantly bolster NATO's ability to counter drone threats. This will help maintain peace and stability within and beyond the alliance's borders. As drone technology continues to advance, collaborations like this are essential in staying ahead of potential threats. Inside ReDrone unveiling the technology behind drone defense.